Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Pitama of Goa Ravindrabab Kedekar laid to peace. Guard of Honor presented as a tribute. Thousands of people pay last visit to the legend. It's a murder drama in a guest house at Donapal. Husband dead, wife brutally stabbed, main suspect arrested. The All Goa private bus owners to go on a one-day strike on 6th of September. Bus owners oppose proposed nationalization of 3 routes. Union government revokes permission given to Pirla Mines, cites proposal based on wrong information. Over in sports, coaches need to adapt to the culture of the country as well as share their expertise, says Salgaonkar Sports Club's Moroccan coach Karim Ben Sharifa. Now the news in detail. Jnanpith awardee Padma Bhushan Ravindrabab Kedekar was laid to rest on Saturday. The Pitahama of Goa expired on Friday at the Apollo Hospital in Madgaon. He was presented a guard of honor before performing the final rites. Thousands of people came to pay their final tribute to this legendary personality.
Ravindrabab Kedekar was a great thinker and excellent writer. He breathed his last on Friday at Apollo Hospital in Madgaon. Entire Goa was in tears for the great fighter. People from all walks of life paid their tributes to Ravindrabab. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, former Chief Minister Shashikala Kakodkar, opposition leader Manohar Parrikar and many other well-known personalities visited his residence at Prior. Due to some urgency, Governor of Goa Dr. S.S. Sidhu, however, could not mark his presence for the funeral. But Governor's due tributes were paid to Ravindrabab. Ravindrabab was honoured with Guard of Honour before his final rites. Ravindrabab's son Girish performed the ritual. Ravindrabab contributed to the literature of soil and the society.
त्यांचे जे वैचारीक लेख वाचले जर जायत जाल्यार आमकां जाणीव जाता की त्यांचे विचार कितले प्रगल्भ आसलेले आनी तांकां सामान्य प्रती जो पळय आमचो समाज आहा त्या समाजा प्रती जे पळय कितें तेंचे विचार आसात ते लोकां पर्यंत पावोवपाचें काम ताणें आपल्या साहित्यांतल्यान केलें.
कोंकणी करता ताणें जे सुरवाती पासूनचे आतां शेवट पर्यंत जे कितें प्रयत्न केला आनी सगळ्यान आज ज्या परिस्थितींत कोंकणी आसा ते तांकां सगळें श्रेय वता. ताणें जे पर्यंत सगळें कोंकणी म्हणजे अशी सुरवाती पासून जी धडपड ताणें केली सगळ्यांत मोठें श्रेय तांचें अशें आसा.
तो तेणें पॉलिटिक्सांत भाग घेवना ए पॉलिटिकल म्हणूंक ना बट ही वॉज डुईंग वॉट इज रायट फॉर गोवा टू प्रिजर्व इट्स ओन आयडेंटिटी आनी हें करून तो शेकलो कितें तेगे पत्रां आनी आयज जो लोक आयला सगळे तरेचो सगळे जातीचो सगळे गांवचो ताचेर दाखयता की ही इज द ट्रू रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह टू रिप्रेझेंट पीपल ऑफ गोवा.
एक स्वाभिमानी अशें जिवीत ताणें जगलें. ज्या सिद्धांताक ते चिटकून रावले ते सिद्धांत म्हत्वाचे. ताणी जी भुमिका घेतली ताका लागून कोंकणी आयज ज्या दर्ज्यार आसा ज्या पावंड्यार आहा ती पावंक पावली.
रवींद्रबाबाची जी ज्ञानपीठ पुरस्कार घेवपाच्या वेळार जे ताणें विचार मांडिल्ले ताजे प्रमाणे कोंकणी भाशे खातीर आमी काम करप आनी कोंकणी आमची आवयभास ही फुडें व्हरप ही तांकां खरी आर्गां अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Concept of Goan identity, the separate Goan identity, was a new concept based on which the new state has been formed, Goa. He is the man who gave a concrete shape to that concept.
तेका मन अशें आशिल्लें जे कोंकणी उलोवपी लोक आहा आमचे सोबते म्हणजे गोंयांत तेंकोन कारवार आमचे कर्नाटका येवदान पडत कोंकणी उलोवपी लोक आहा त्या लोकांक सगळ्याक घेवन व्हडलें गोंय करचें.
Thousands of fans, admirers, and followers of Ravindra Bab were deep in grief. They offered their final respect to Ravindra Bab. There is absolutely no answer, no comparison to Ravindra Bab's contribution for Konkani literature. There will be no other Ravindra Bab. People present for the funeral expressed that Konkani has lost its Senapati with the demise of Ravindra Bab Kelekar. People were present in thousands to pay their last tributes to this icon of literature. Ravindra Bab has shown a new path in the field of literature and society. Many followed the path shown by him. Now, Ravindra Bab is no more with us. The son of the soil, the towering personality of Konkani is gone. But his contribution, his dedication, and his interesting tales will be always there for us as a driving force. Prudent media pays its tribute to this big writer, thinker, and a fighter. A senior reporter from Prior, Rakesh Kanolkar, with reporter Vivek Prabhu and video journalist Sushant Par.
A true hero. Hotel manager of Lilia Guest House, Shamsundar Anchan, brutally attacked his colleague Siddharam Alure and his wife on Saturday in the guest house premises. Siddharam is dead. His wife is currently fighting with her grievous injuries at the GMC. Shamsundar Anchan was expelled from his services for sending a vulgar MMS to a lady staff.
Shamsundar Anchan allegedly attacked Siddharam Alure and his wife. This incident occurred at Lilia Guest House at Donapal on Saturday. Siddharam Alure has already succumbed to his injuries. His wife is admitted in the GMC and is in a critical condition. Shamsundar Anchan was working as a manager at Lilia Guest House. He was expelled after facing a charge of sending vulgar MMS to one of his lady colleagues. Shamsundar doubted that Siddharam and his wife might have complained. On the ground of suspicion and raging in the fit of anger, Shamsundar brutally attacked both Alure couple.
Shamsundar Anchan मॅनेजर मेळ्ळो 29 जुनाक ताका आमी अरेस्ट केलो ह्या पुलीस स्टेशनार अंडर सेक्शन 151 कित्याक तो जो कॅरटेकर आसलेलो हॉटेलाचो तेका तेजे बायलेक तो मेसेजीस धाडटालो ह्या खातीर सगूण लिंगूटकर म्हणटा तेजे बायलेक कॅरटेकर त्या खातीर ताका अरेस्ट केल्लो आनी त्या नंतर तेणें तेंच्यान ताका जॉबाचो काडलेलो हॉटेलांतलो ह्या हॉटेलांतल्यान कामाक काडल्या नंतर आनी ताका काम मेळोना ह्या खातीर तो फ्रस्ट्रेट जालोलो आनी ताका दिसतालें कितें आपल्याक काडपा फाटल्यान हे जे सिद्धराम आनी तेजी बायल किंवा तेजो भाव तेजो हात आसलेलो म्हणून 5 वर्सां पयलीं आनी एक मर्डर केल्लो तेणें ओल्ड गोवा पुलीस स्टेशनाच्या हद्दीन आनी त्या मर्डर केसीन तो एक्वीट जालोलो.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with Omkar Falari.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.